brother already went there, Mr. Cozy Pants. And so, he said that my brother went there already. And I seen a picture that he had a cake. And I want cake. So, we're gonna go to Mad Max. We're gonna see you guys later. We're gonna pop up again when we get there. Sound, yeah.
Oh, that was cute.
Some more. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
We are here, guys, at the restaurant that we're going to. So we're here, guys. Can you see it? What's your face? Princess. We're going. Good. Thank you. Oh, it's cold.
It's freezing.
So we're here, guys, and we already ordered. Little cute little princesses right there. We ordered boneless wings with a a burrito, which is honey chipotle, with some fries and cheese dip. It's gonna be so good. And we ordered some lemonade. Let's turn you around. Okay. And this babe. Babe, say hi.
What's up, y'all?
So, look around and find where I can do my TikTok at. But first, I'm finding the music or song wherever.
Tap, tap, tap. Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8-figure nigga. Face on zaddy, pockets on jigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder.
And we're right next to CVS. Right over there.
That's CVS. With the big windows. They're big windows. They're huge.
Yeah, the windows go all the way up to probably like daddy's side.
And it's so cold in here. Like, literally, like, it's so cold.
The seats are freezing.
We should have wore jackets. Look at this, sir. With his headphones. Show your headphones. Well, your AirPods.
That's free promo.
That's free promo. Beats.
Dre, hit us up. This goes in your left hand. Yeah, you had it right.
They're sharing the beats that he just got. Where is it?
Of course, we got our mask.
Well, masked out. Can't go nowhere without a mask. You hear it? What are you listening to? Where you on it? Show me Bluetooth. That's what it look like right now. So we're here, guys. It's so cute.
You want to try to plug it up to yours?
This is her phone.
Water. Agua. If y'all can say water in Spanish, give it a thumbs up.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Yummy, yummy, yummy in the tummy. Look good? So, we finally got our food, and Princess didn't like any of it. She said no. So, we had to order her some
Thank you.
dino nuggets. Look, they're cute. Look at them.
Watch me.
Get it. Oh. She's so silly. But yeah, she didn't like any of it. She's super picky because of him. He should not feel any way because he is exact the same way. It is so good, y'all. Y'all don't understand. When little baby eat her food, well, not little baby, when Princess eat her food, you're gonna see how good it is. Oh yeah, we got an adult drink, which is a strawberry margarita. That's just cranberry juice. Princess got.
Want a Sprite cranberry? I don't want a Sprite cranberry, LeBron.
I don't know what that means, but I got me a Pepsi and an agua, which is water. Yeah. See you guys later when we're finished. Well, not finished, when we get our dessert. Yummy yum.
Go.
She wants to give you guys a review of her food.
This is a 5. This is a 1. This is a 10.
Tough critic. Oh my goodness, she's such a tough critic. Babe, how was your food?
10.
10s around the board. And my food, well, our food together, I gave it a 10 too. 10. Without this stuff, I don't like that. I don't like the sauce. And we're back, guys. We have finished all of our food.
And now we're about to get some dessert.
Yummy.
Now, because it's our first time getting some dessert, so we want to try some dessert.
Yes, we did. Look at that food we ate. Yummy in our
Hey,
tummies.
food.
Yummy. Oh, let's show them the dessert menu.
Yes.
Yes.
So, have some.
Find the word desserts. Food.
Alright.
Desserts.
So, we have chocolate. So,
Chocolate hazelnut churros. Ice cream burrito. Mexican chocolate brownie. Or vanilla ice cream. We're gonna get the big warm chocolate brownie topped with vanilla ice cream, hot fudge, and cinnamon.
yeah,
Oh my
and
God.
that's for me.
Listen, we're sharing.
Me.
She's
Me.
sharing it. Look at Daddy, he's over here stuffed and lit. Are you lit, Papa Bear? Litty lit.
Papa B.
Are you lit?
Papa B, are you ready?
Are you litty? Lit.
Papa B.
Oh, well. Princess. All right, when we find the waiter, we will be back. Bye-bye. Ordering dessert. Comes with ice cream. So you want extra ice cream?
Yes.
Extra ice cream. She sees this. She's ready. Look at this. Look at this deliciousness. Who's ready to eat ice cream? Who's ready to eat the ice cream? We are full and done, but this little one is enjoying her brownie ice cream. She wants to take it home. Look at it. Her and Daddy tore it up. This was my little one. But yep, that's it. That's all. Mad Max. So we are leaving Mad Max. We had a great time. Food was wonderful. Right, babe? We are leaving Mad Max.
Food was great.
She said it was a great review. Bye, guys. So, guys, got into the car in not even 5 minutes. Oh, keep sleeping.